Hi, I am reviewing my notes because I am studying for test. And you?
I'm writing my notebook while I work. I saw campaign and saw the market.
Hi.
Hello, I am sitting here doing my homework and I con you with you study.
Of course, I am taking a break because I am feeling a little tired.
I am listening to everything and I am waiting for the teacher to arrive.
While we are talking, I am understanding to the picture better and you too.
Yes, me too. I am writing my answer and organizing my thinking.
I am relaxing because we start high exam before class.
I feel honored how we're a partner alike. Everyone is focused. I am nearly all of because we are helping each other.
It's true, we are studying and talking at the same time.
Exactly. I am finished my homework and I put my notes also for class.
I am ready too. I am organizing my thing and I am drinking some water.
And I am wearing a like tie before I join the class. Perfect. I am ready for class and I am paying attention to everything you are doing.